Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to create automated labels and filters in Gmail. So open Gmail on desktop browser and move your cursor to the search bar at the absolute top right here. And then click the show search option slider icon on the right edge, right here. And then define your criteria inside the parameter canvas cell blocks. You can target specific senders in the from field, isolate exact phrases in the has the words line, or filter out heavy payloads using the size dropdown. As you can see, we have from, to, subject, size, search, where, for example, right? You can search in different tabs, I suppose, in Gmail, and then just search right here. So this is a very detailed search. All right, and also in terms of labels, we need to press on Create Filter. Okay, confirm that. And now guys, as you can see, the instant you click that link, this window will swap out for the second configuration panel layouts. So this is the exact space where you apply the label checkbox grid and drop down cells live. So in here, you just adjust and choose which labels you wish. So for example, we just press this check mark next to apply the label and choose the label itself. You can create a new label. Okay, let's say test label. All right. And all right, let's just leave that out. Create, and then you can create filter like this. All right, and proactively also check the box to never send it to spam, so critical data loops never get dropped by the global security algorithms. All right, guys, that's it. Leave a comment if this worked, like and subscribe as well, and see you soon.